Hello.
Welcome in
Welcome to the vlog.
to the weekly,
up a hill.
the weekly Stephanie vlog. So we're out here doing our weekend long run. It's probably gonna be like 6 to 8 miles ish. So not that long because I'm still not in great shape yet. But you want to talk to him?
We're getting there. I'm in my cool down.
So we took an open road to start the vlog, and most of that footage will just get cut, but yeah, we wanted to just get here to the trail. Steph is convinced it's a whole lot farther the other way.
It is. That was so much shorter.
The trees block it off.
Oh.
Goodness. Almost got ran over. I'm just gonna back here. Gunshots, go. Go. I've been goofing around so much while running now. It's so much fun. I said it on my vlog yesterday, but like, I said it on stream the other night too. I was always training for something. There was an event, there was a goal, there was a time, a workout that I was always trying to hit. So every run was so like hard as nails. Be focused. Don't go off the trail. Get to your destination, turn around, go home. You know? And now it's like, if I'm like, oh, hey, look, there's critters over there. Let's go. I just do it. Last night I saw tons of deer in here. Tons. They were finding me. They wanted to be part of the vlog. I hope someone makes a fake deer account and subs. That'd be hysterical. Nick, talking to you. I don't know. Could be a nail gun. Could be a gun. Could be fireworks.
World's largest woodpecker. Alright, trees turn red.
With the magic of editing.
And then yellow. And then brown. And then off. And then snow.
Very disc golfing. Every time.
It's weird that they're like in the woods.
Because there's just cut paths and they disc golf, see?
I'm tired. I woke up tired.
I woke up like this.
But I still wanted to get my bike because I only can like once a week.
We like long runs. Actually, I do like long runs. I like the slow destination going runs more than the your noises. Woo! Going through war zones.
You know that was my hair or spiderweb? I don't want to know.
So what do you want to say to the vlog today, stuff?
I don't know.
How are your goals going? I've been talking about all sorts of stuff. A lot about myself, but
It's okay. It's your vlog.
it's like a 45-minute therapy session for myself, with myself. So yep, when I used to be in shape, we used to do these every weekend. Steph would go with me then on long runs. Do like 10 to 15 down this trail. It's a good time. There's a lot of farmland back here. It might actually be something exciting in the gun or something.
Like wood. Look at the water down there.
Slow it down. I say we just steal the bike and run. She'll never know. She can't hear me. Stephanie runs in her natural environment to get a Discord photo to prove that she went outside today. You filming me, filming you?
I'm taking pictures of you.
Oh. This is Lord of the Rings woods.
Oh.
These woods remind me of the scene where they're hiding under the roots of the tree.
I dress up in like an elven elf. Go stand in there and you can take my picture. Cosplay it. Get some epic music and I'll run through. I'm just like that awkward smile.
Oh, you got me. Right in the elbow.
My thing. There's no after fireworks sound soon. Oh my, okay, well maybe that one was. Jeez. I think they heard me.
Look at all that dirt.
Oh, that's crispy.
Those HD textures.
Yeah.
My arms are tired. Yeah, we need some Steph vlog footage here. Steph vlog takeover.
Hello, Vloggy Woggy.
Because my arms are tired from mowing the lawn.
Hello, Steph Squad.
The people that actually watch my videos are just your squad. Let's be honest. Give me a talk. All you. How are your goals going? Are you feeling good about them?
Yeah.
Feeling good about trying new things?
Yeah.
Feeling good about this top secret project?
Yes.
I'm just a good talker.
I am when I like have something to say. I'm just literally like my whole brain and body's exhausted today. Unlike anything productive, I put laundry in, that's about it. I need to work on my Sims builds, so they're taking forever. It's stressing me out. Which side you running?
I don't know. I'm gonna try not to get hit by you.
Right now.
Get you one day a week.
Oh my lord. Ah!
Deer.
I didn't know what it was!
This footage is so slanted.
It's artsy.
Picasso, I like it. Did you not tighten the ball head?
I didn't touch that part. Ah!
You talk to him so I can breathe deep.
I don't know what to say. Give me a topic.
I just talk whatever's on my mind.
I have food on my mind.
What do you want for food?
I'm thinking about chili, but do I really want to leave the house? Not really. I just want magical food to show up.
Yeah. And so, how would we do that?
You can't.
You're not fired from an unpaid job. We're just out here having fun. The sassafras back here is pouting.
I got fired.
The intern was having a little bit of a difficulty with the camera, so. What?
I was taking a picture of my bike. It was cool.
Steph's trying to take photos, I think, to prove that she was outside today.
Alright.
Ooh, I ate a bug. Yuck.
Ew.
Protein.
Bugs are out. Gotta go.
You must just hit the bird.
What?
You must just hit a bird.
What?
What? What?
I'm gonna have to take a shower 3 days in a row. Can you believe this?
I can.
And I'm out of conditioner,
Oh no.
so my hair is just.
We'll vent about it here.
I did.
They didn't see it.
Oh, I won't be as authentic this time.
Okay.
Why? Is it gonna hurt me?
I was trying to find a trail to get back on.
Go.
They're cute. I see a ton of them. I don't know what
They look like little horses.
I don't know where the footage got of that because the camera work was all over the place, but
Dude.
I got two.
Oh no. Ew.
Because my butt cheeks are close together.
Yeah. Chicken, please.
Peanut butter baby.
You watch out for animals.
Alright.
Bowl. Choose your own dressing. I Don't want your stinky dressing. Choose your own beans.
Ordering Panera
I'm gonna.
for
Yeah,
Qdoba while
I'm gonna
running.
be really sad if it doesn't work, but so far it's working, so I'm hopeful.
Ordering Qdoba during the vlog on bike and foot in the middle of nowhere.
I don't want your salsa.
That's the vlog for today. We did like an 8-mile run. Stephanie is with us.
Hi.
So we'll clip that up, dice it up, get it to you. I appreciate y'all being here. If you want to check out some gaming, TJB at twitch.com. 8 p.m. EST, Monday through Friday. Be there, be square. Be happy, be you, be healthy. We'll see you in the next one. See ya.